Here's lots of practical tips you can use to keep your home neat and tidy. Instead of using bleach, you can use this DIY mixture in your washing machine. Wear gloves while mixing this. These whitening bombs are very effective. And to perfume the laundry, place these cloths, which have been soaked in fabric softener and essential oil, directly into the washing machine's drum. Did you know that you can use toothpaste to clean the glass surfaces in the shower? Scrub with an electric facial massaging brush to remove even the most stubborn limescale. Wow! Unsightly stains often form on the toothbrush holder. Make cleaning easier by protecting it with a cotton pad. For cleaning leather surfaces, you can use micellar water. The washing machine's door should also be cleaned regularly. Say goodbye to limescale. Orange juice contains citric acid, which is very useful for degreasing and limescale removal. By adding a teaspoon of baking soda, you will now have an effective cleaning mixture. Try it in the toilet. Have you ever tried cleaning the kitchen with shaving cream? The result will leave you speechless. Unpleasant odors from the trash can? Let a dishwasher tablet do its work. The trash can will be sanitized and perfumed. Dishwasher tablets are also excellent for cleaning dirt-encrusted pots and pans. Seeing is believing. We often forget to clean the overflow holes in the sink. Using a pipe cleaner, you will be able to clean them easily and thoroughly. Dirty tap nozzle? If you can't unscrew it, you can try this tip using a plastic bottle cap. Just a few drops of white vinegar and the nozzle will be spotlessly clean again. Perfect! Using an old sock can be a great alternative way for cleaning radiators. Spray on a cleaning agent to help pick up all the dust and dirt. Don't forget to clean those slots. Say goodbye to the dust. Don't use the vacuum cleaner on mats. Scrub a body brush on it to pick up all the dirt. Curtains too long? Use hangers to lift them off the floor. Much better. Here's a smart way to reuse a mismatched glove. Spray on some detergent and wipe down all the surfaces you need to clean. handy and reusable. Do you want to reuse the bottle? Fill it with hot water. You will be able to remove the label easily, and then you can recycle it however you want. A great idea! Follow these tips to clean your toaster perfectly. With a toothbrush, you'll be able to get into even hard-to-reach spots. Use straws to suck up all the crumbs. As good as new. To clean a whisk, don't do this. This way is simpler and more effective. To clean tall bottles or vases, cut up a sponge into small pieces. A very clever solution. What a mess! Use a silicone cleaning stamp. Problem solved. Hair on your clothes? Pick them up using a rubber glove. Not a trace of hair left. An alternative to using a vacuum cleaner that will make your carpets look as good as new again. Fantastic! Unpleasant odors? Put the cushion in a plastic bag and spray your perfume into it. Use a vacuum cleaner to close the bag. Now, just sit back and enjoy the fresh scent. Moldy stains? Remove them using lemon essential oil. Here's an alternative way to use a roll dispenser. Your microfiber cloths will always be neat and tidy, and within arm's reach. After use, wash them in the washing machine. Following these tips, your home will be pristine again. Rock salt is an excellent natural scrub and highly effective in removing stubborn grime. Wow! Kitchen sponges can get very dirty. Place them in the microwave to kill all the germs and bacteria. Hygienically cleaned. Glue residue? Use a rubber eraser. Super clean. Scrub with a potato and your mirrors will sparkle again. Wow! Finally, polish with vinegar and a dry cloth. Try this tip to clean your blender without using detergent. Squeaky clean.